on the money, isn't it?
Right, can you give us 20 seconds to start?
Yes, yeah, it's relatively early.
Standard accommodation, there is a buffet facility. It's carrying ease serving arrangements and both Christmas. Dining, of course, breakfast will be commencing as we make our way. But can I just say, ladies and gentlemen, the risk of being repetitive is very, very important today, particularly with this high-profile train, that we have no heads, arms, other body parts, cameras, anything out of the window. Very, very important.
One crazy man told me one day, mate. You know, he said to me one point when we had the old South Australian old slamming store start. One weird man told me off. Oh, right, go and sit down. No, no, not nice.
Too much.
I'll never get that day, you know. I'm planning to get a few things from this on train today. I'm planning to get, I'm planning to get, mate. I'm planning to get a badge of tomorrow now one. And also the pen and the poster.
I would go for a map, but I've got more than enough already.
And after Hitchin, there's a chance that we'll get up to fairly high speed, particularly on the Digswell as we go.
London? Oh yeah.
I don't think anybody's ever checked the ticket while I've been on here.
Sorry. Oh, I wish I wouldn't be careful.
Is that Brooklyn Spa?
Oh, isn't it really? Well, we went on time leaving Potter Spa.
We went, well, we went.
We went on time leaving Potter Spa. Just pushing William Green now.
And what's on the green?
Just checking my real train times. I've got a phone, I can check my real train times. I don't waste too much of my day, I'm just going to check it now and again, you know what I mean? Just to make sure we're on time, isn't it?
just referring to the document saying for which time.
What?
I'm just referring to this the timings.
You alright? Yeah. Have you trouble far today then? Have you trouble far today then?
We come far, we travel.
Oh, have you been far today?
No, from Essex.
Yeah, oh, Essex. Not that far then.
Just a bunch of bags.
Oh, right. Looking forward to the ride on 90 miles. Enjoying this tour today? Have you enjoyed this tour?
We've been with it before.
When it was bitten? Was it bitten, needing for speed? Was it?
No, we've been with Tornado. Quite a lot of trips.
Oh. What station are we coming up to? Is it Welland Green? What?
We passed one in the green.
Oh.
We're limited to 75.
That was 18.
So are we heading for Morbid?
You get as a max, you've got a bit of fluctuation.
1869.
Yeah, 79.
What's been we up to now then?
Again?
What's been we up to now then?
Well, we just come up to 70 in a bit.
Alright. Going to from Hull to London.
Just came up the one in the Garden City.
I got one of those YouTube ones called Britannia Cathedrals Express to Swanage, Swanage by 2012, right? And that was the one when a guy was filming the train inside a window. Pretty interesting potatoes that was. Do like it, but there's only one person who does give me the credit. It's Scott Walker.
Yeah, that.
You know the Cathedrals Express Britannia goes to Swanage in 2012.
Wasn't matter where. It only wasn't on it yet, but.
There was one guy who was filming for YouTube as he was in a carriage, just filming as he listened to the engine chuffing along. And
What? Through the open window.
no, not out a window. It was as he was in the carriage, sitting down in the carriage. That was. There was a lot of people, old-fashioned people like that, on board the tour.
Yeah, yeah.
Held up. I think.
we still with a train to Paris.
And those of us coming past North Pole Depot with the Paddington this morning, they had the old virtual train to Suva in there. Oh, right. Yeah. With the old white liveries, yeah.